can't even do 10 push-ups. You're a wimp. You're a woozly. You're a wimpalooski. You're a weenie genie.
Fine.
That's what I thought.
No, I don't want to.
Wow, lazy.
Alright, fine. Oh. Oh.
He can't even do. He can't even do 6 push-ups.
Don't do it. Yeah, I will let you know. Alright.
Use my arm.
Oh.
Aww.
He tips it off.
He missed.
Here, Cuthbert.
Oh, fast.
Buddy,
Shut up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just walk on it.
No, don't reach for it.
Push it out of the way. Buddy. Oh, I just touched your butthole.
The most excitement the entire family.
I
has
touched
had.
your butthole.
Sis, this is for Pennsylvania.
Stay up if I roll double ones.
Double ones for what?
Stay up, not go to bed.
Good morning. I'm putting my pants on. Today is so exciting. You don't even know, okay? It snowed like 2 feet last night, and today Ruben is coming here from Arizona. No one has ever come down to visit me or anyone from Arizona come here, and I think it's just gonna be so fun because also like my brothers have each other. And I always don't have anyone at home, so it's gonna be fun to have another person. It's so exciting. I'm so excited. I have to go sweep off the porch because there's like 2 feet of snow on the porch. Strapped up, ready to go. I just accidentally ripped my UGG. Look at it. You know how I feel about that? UGG, UGG, UGG. I'm really sad. I'm gloved up. Let's go. Okay, Joey's gonna help me because he's a kind soul. Are you ready to see it?
Baby, we can talk about it and talk until we're dead. I love you to your heart and back. I love you to the top of your head.
I'm gonna die. Snow's gonna melt.
No, don't melt. Oh my god, how is there snow behind that?
Ow, ow, ow.
This is insane.
Ow. 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 My crotch. 4-wheel drive. Falls off.
Why?
This is good packing snow.
Yeah, even though it's soft, it's still packing.
Look how much it is. Oh my god. In case you wanted to know, that is the road. That is the road that people drive on. I just don't know about it. Look at the chair. Jerome's gonna go in the snow. Don't take...
Just they're all wet.
Can't, you're... Okay. Jerome, come on.
They're all wet, sis.
You're gonna go on the porch in your underwear?
No.
And then what? Hi, Jerome.
Buddy,
You wanna see the snow?
Wait, what are you doing?
None of your business. You don't care about anything else.
Sis, these will get hung here, so if they drip, they'll just fall on.
Go, Jerome. I want to take you to see the snow. I just want to take you to see the snow.
Oh, camera. Oh no, my feet are gonna get wet. My kitty.
What do you think of the snow? You like the snow? No? You don't like it?
Socks are cold.
So I pretty much just cleaned the whole entire bottom of the house except where Lou is, because it's really bad. But I put all the window stickers on all the windows. How cute! Oh, the tree looks so good there. Oh, it's beautiful. We're waiting to decorate most of the house and the tree.
It's me.
when Ruben gets here. But I want to put the stockings up because I just really want to. Should we, Joe?
Yes, we should.
There we go. So I got a big bag of stockings, mate. Look how big my dad's is, watch. It used to look literally ginormous when I was little. And it's not as big anymore, but it's quite big, isn't it? He's naughty too. He doesn't even get many presents.
Hey, hey, oh.
You have to tell her us when she comes back. We're putting in the stockings. Go, go, go.
We'll push her into the bathroom and lock her in.
Not really. We're almost ready.
These are hacks. These are hacks. Hold on.
We're ready, Joe. Look at us. Look at us. We're ready. We're Christmased up.
Gang, gang.
Hurry, get the ball.
Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna have a friggin' heart attack. Look at this place. Rachel, I'm gonna cry.
Hey.
I would just like to show you my outfits. I got my new little sweater from the thrift store. And I got my new boots from the thrift store. And I just did a little tiny hair wrap. Look, I'm all Christmased out, Joe.
Yeah, okay. You're fine.
Look at us!
Hey.
We're decorating the tree.
Right? If you can't follow it, you drag it.
Oh.
Every time I see her face, I wanna know. Every time I hold your hand.
No one even cares.